Hello, English 130I. My name is Austin Rode, and my passion is for cars. For my inquiry project, I'm talking about how computers have affected the automotive industry in total and what the future looks like. The first computer was built from 1943 and finished in 1946. It took up 1,800 square feet and used 18,000 vacuum hoses, weighing nearly 50 tons. The first computer was used in a Volkswagen in 1968. It was used for fuel management, otherwise known as electronic fuel injection. Electronic fuel injection came to be very important. It was the first thing to be computer controlled, but mechanical fuel injection existed since the late 40s, and my grandpa actually helped design and test the first mechanical fuel injection seen in the picture on the right. Fuel injection is what delivers fuel into the engine and allows computer management for greater efficiency. It sprays the fuel so it mixes with the oxygen, otherwise known as atomization, which combusts and creates power. Due to all the regulation on emissions, fuel injection was needed because it allowed more accurate fuel distribution and increased efficiency by nearly 50%, which got rid of all the black smoke you see coming out of the tailpipe. When the brakes are slammed without ABS, a wheel will lock up, causing sliding and usually loss of control. ABS senses when a wheel starts to lock up and pulses the brakes electronically to prevent them from locking up. A starter, when you turn your key, relays to the computer and tells it to spin, causing the motor to start. It delivers fuel and spark at the right time so the motor starts its natural cycle, and then the starter shuts off. Now, airbags. There are sensors in the car when experience an impact to relay to the computer, which activates the airbags. The airbag shoots out and acts as a cushion to prevent trauma from the harder materials in the car. Over 2,000 lives were saved in 2012. Computer diagnostics have existed since 1994 in the 16-pin connector and digital reader. It saves money by allowing quicker, more accurate diagnosis, which then helps the mechanics or the DIY enthusiast. The new car can have computing power of 20 PCs. They're rapidly evolving and have become a fully connected consumer experience, and it has potential to move into a realm where cars can navigate themselves. Another great innovation, all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive has been great and added safety because it delivers power to all four wheels. All-wheel drive is found in a lot of high-performance cars and offers several different types. Four-wheel drive is power always on but can use two-wheel drive, where all-wheel drive you can only have power to all four wheels, like this Audi. Camera technology. Today's digital technology and cameras are much more powerful and smaller than their predecessors. This means it can be easily installed in different parts of the car. These cameras let motorists view all objects surrounding the vehicle from one screen. Sensor technology combined with the latest camera technologies make it easiest for the clumsiest of drivers to safely and properly park without doing damage to surrounding objects or people. There are two types of sensors, radar and ultrasonic. Parking sensors are the most well-known sensors in the vehicle, but there's many others carrying out functions in a modern car. Other sensors include, in many of today's cars, speedometers, which is the obvious one. This change in the way cars are built and controlled has also changed the way they are maintained. With knowledge of computers and mechanics, the mechanic can easily diagnose and repair a car themselves at home. Companies like Google and Tesla will be quick to realize the potential of the crowdsourced data collection capabilities of these new products. Many people spend almost as much time or more behind their car than they do behind a screen, and no longer will need to drive. Electric cars seem to be the way of the future. Newer cars start running on small gas motors combined with electric motor or motors, but there's a huge push to go full electric, like that of Tesla. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope we all get to see the potential of computers and the way it's going to affect the automotive industry for the rest of our lives.